Order filled.
I'm already long. Big long. Like I said, thinking we're pushing higher. We have this buy side liquidity up here. I'm gonna sell 2 here, maybe even 3.
Order
I'll
submitted.
hold the rest for run. Let's see how far we're gonna go. 4 minutes still open. I think we're just gonna push, just straight away push. Let the open. We did take that liquidity here. We took liquidity down here on Asia. They're basically collecting everything. So, let's see. Three minutes. Obviously, if we drop, then I'm out. But I'm assuming we're gonna push to 310. I might be heading into it there later. Just open drive up. That's what I'm expecting. Two more minutes still open. Let's go. How far can we go? This far. 340. Even 340. Two minutes still open. I'm just thinking like, should I close this 3 or maybe I should close 2? I'm gonna close 3. I'll see what's gonna happen next. We might add later. Let's fucking go up. Gonna be very aggressive today. Got 1 minute till open. Let's go.
Order filled.
There we go. I got 1. I'm also trading this one here, 96. So I'm gonna take profit here.
Order filled.
Let's see what we're gonna do next with that. Technically speaking, okay, but we just, okay, so this is where the London open is. Ooh, stopped, okay, fine. Stopped, it's alright. Gonna be trading with 3 contracts. So for now, this brought us into 637. Okay, technically speaking, we need to sell into that. Let's watch now what this market is going to do. Tick chart open crazy up here. So there's strong buying. Let's see if they're gonna drop below that. We're just gonna continue up without any hesitation. I'll just go with 2 contracts. Yeah. Buying it. I'm gonna
Order
go long.
filled.
So let's crack it. Let's push into 310. I'll actually hold this one now. There's a fair value gap, obviously, but there's this fair value gap here, the bearish one. But I still think we're just gonna go. It's 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.10. It's asking. It's just asking to go higher. Big boys minus 328, so that's not great. Street is buying. So I am with the street right now. It doesn't mean we can't go higher. My entry is not the best.
Order filled.
I'm gonna wait because it looks to me this is increasing. So big boys are selling actually. Street is buying. I'm not happy with that. Dropping below view up. Yeah. All right. So let's think where we. Okay. So big boys are buying here. They're interested in buying some more here. Quickly have a look. Somebody bought here. All right. Okay. How about we go and sweep this low? Still pushing. Okay, big boys decided to buy, so we are actually buying right now. We actually are buying right now. Let's try to get in.
Order filled.
Now I have to
Order
buy here.
filled.
It's not the best, but I'm buying for the breakout into 310. There we go. I got the breakout. Let's see if we're gonna hold this breakout. Big boys are buying. 191 minus 200. Okay, they sold a little bit, not much. Well, I think we're gonna go up. Got space to 310, 313. Liquidity is there. Again, not the best entry, obviously, but should I hold this? I kind of think yes, we should go higher. It's just a little pullback. Just hold this too. I think we're gonna break. Push. Yeah. Let's take that 306, 307. We have to push through that now. The next stop would be 315. I mean, if we go for this, the 50% move from yesterday will be 315. So, all right, I'm
Order
gonna end.
filled.
Heading into this breakout. Ideal scenario, if we just keep pushing and pumping into 25, get in here. I mean, that would be a first area of resistance, 17, 15, 17. We'll see. We'll see. They are willing to do that immediately at the open. Can't go more than 3. I need to see some movement into the upside. Pull back. That's what you're gonna do now. You're gonna collect that 15-minute candle from the bottom. I think we're gonna go. They're buying more. But we're gonna push for that 15-minute candle. We'll have a top here. We'll push for it and we'll continue. We'll have to wait probably 7 more minutes. Could go below as well. First, to grab liquidity. Somebody's waiting at 300. And I'm like, what should I do with this? So I'm rushing into this trade. So I want to miss it. There you go, see? Now it's danger, we're gonna go below. Yeah. Let's see what they're gonna do. Drop below view up. Got 5 more minutes on this 15-minute candle. My entry is really bad. Really bad. Let's try to get out. If we can get C305, we'll get out. We need to pop above this view up one more time. Okay. Push a bit higher. Got 3 more minutes, and I think we might squeeze through this 15-minute candle. Go to 308 through 310. But there's always a risk that we're gonna drop lower. So because of my entry, a really bad entry, I'm gonna escape here.
Order filled.
Gonna escape here. We'll see. Let's wait for this 15 minutes candle. See what they're gonna do next. Plus 237. Just wait now, wait and see. I don't like this liquidity here. It's 300, it's quite thick. They might go down there. I still want to be a buyer. But I think we might drop to 98. We might try to go even to 94. Well, we'll see. And if we crack and push, then I'm going to add one more time, because this time we should probably go high. Not that. Pumping. Well, I'll wait. I'm gonna wait. Still, I think that, okay, they did push over this. They might turn around right now. Try to grab everything. These early longs, I was the early long as well. I might just pull them into the bottom of this range. Yeah. Just grab everything from here. All the liquidity. And then we're gonna go up. Let's see if this scenario. Not in the trade right now. This thing didn't work. 1 minute. Okay, we have a 15-minute candle. Let's see what they're gonna do now. Which way are we gonna go first? This, or are we gonna grab this first? 15-minute candle, technically speaking, is here. So let's mark that properly. Market looks bullish. You're gonna go without me. I think they're gonna go without me. Three or 10. 310. That's what I meant. It's the target. There's a possibility they would sell into this and collapse to grab that one more time, right? some kind of prepare for this move. Don't want to chase this one more time here. Maybe, probably I should. Probably I should. Because we have space to 310. If we go and take that, then we're gonna go long. But we can just basically open and push. What is Nvidia doing? Nvidia is holding 141. Okay. All right. So looks like they're gonna go and grab that bottom now. Don't really feel comfortable to short this. Take a scalp on the short side because there's space to 300.
Order filled.
Decided to short. Not the best place. But I think we're gonna go down there.
Target filled.
Thank you.
Order submitted. Order filled.
That brings us to 400. What is this? Am I fucking filled or something?
Order filled.
What is going on? Okay, 480. Because it closed and the market will close it afterwards as well. Ninja Trader just got this bug. All right. So now we got the 15 minutes. Let's see if they're gonna continue and close this inner gap. What they're gonna do next. Dun-dun-dun. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. This is an equal low that we had pre-market. Grab that. And we're dumping now. No liquidity here. It's like zero liquidity anyway. I think we have some data coming. Flash manufacturing PMI. Durable goods 935. FMRC member's gonna speak. That was already there. Okay, lovely. So we grabbed the 15 minutes, we collected that. Let's see if we're gonna go lower. I mean, technically speaking, we did take that bit. by half a point. Oh, just making sure we take everybody out. Okay, early longs are swept. It's a good place to go long. Big boys are buying this. The moment we get back into the range, I'm buying
Order
this again.
filled.
Let's see if we're gonna push now. So they have swept early longs. And technically speaking, we can go now to 310. Sell into that 15-minute candle there. This liquidity is very, very thin. Look at this book map. Nothing there. Yeah, we have not been accepted in this range. 300 flashing. Should bounce from here only because we swept liquidity, unless they want to go lower now to grab more. To close the inner gap, that will have to be a drop to 90. Oh, we're gonna continue lowering up.
Order filled.
We can. Let's wait. Let's wait. Probably back to some 150 something, 160. It's alright. This looks like it can fucking collapse. Nothing here. So I'm just kind of. I want to see how they're gonna treat this. We're just gonna drop in here. So if we drop in here to 90, 89, too much risk for me. Oh, we're not dropping. Got 5 more minutes.
Order
They're not
filled.
dropping.
Order filled.
Try one more time. Mm-hmm. 5 more minutes. And they're gonna take that liquidity. Or we're gonna push higher. 300. Big boys are buying that thing. This could work like a turtle soup setup. You can see it. We drop the bottom into the bottom. And now I could drive it up into 310. Right, I don't know. We'll see. But big boy's buying 912, 972. Street is selling. But I'm thinking, let's hold this. Let's hold that. That's what I'm thinking. Once we get back above this view up on above here, I'll be much happier with this long. 300 flushing. Not much liquidity there. God damn it. What is going on? $300. They want to go to 300. Why is there so little liquidity? What is happening? 3 minutes? We got some news in 3 minutes? What is happening here? Okay,
Order filled.
I don't know. Nothing on the calendar. Okay, revised customer sentiment. That one. Revised customer sentiment. Let's wait then. That news. You know what? 96. Give me 96. I'm gonna go long here anyway. Because
Order
this
filled.
is my so I wanna go long anyway. This is my evil, this is my paid account, so differences in trading, you know.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with University of Michigan sentiment final.
Look at that. They're pumping.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Should I close that? 96 now. "70 seconds.
Ten seconds.
You're lucky on that. Boom.
Target filled.
69
Hit.
spot 1, 69 spot 1, higher than
We did.
forecast, 67
please
spot
book it.
7. 1 year inflation final, 3 spot 3%, 3 spot 3%, lower than forecast, 3 spot 4%. 5 year inflation final, 3 spot 3%, 3%, lower than forecast, 3 spot 1%.
Order
Expectations
submitted.
final,
Order
68 spot
filled.
8,
Long.
68 spot 8.
Strong.
Higher than forecast, 67. And conditions final, 69 spot 6, 69 spot 6, higher than forecast, 68 spot 8. Seeing some slight downside in dollar, slight upside in stocks.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's push now. All right, we'll get space to 15. I think market's gonna use that pump to go. They have collected and they don't need to go down anymore. 310.
We have have posted the University of Michigan Sentiment Survey May final report on the feed for all those interested.
310, 311, 312, 315. That's where we have the interest. I know that they sold into that, but I think they want more. If they push higher,
Order filled.
right, if they push higher, then we're going to be selling into this area 40. I don't think we should drop now. I don't know. There's too much liquidity upstairs. Nothing below. Like nothing. Literally nothing. So what's the point to go lower? I mean, market can obviously go lower, but what's the point? Big boys are buying 803. They're holding. All the parameters are for long now. We have this fair value gap. Market should close that. Space to 16 basically. Space till 16 on the chart. It's the first resistance. 15. Yeah, 15 is the first resistance. Yeah. That was a good pump. 1,150. It's a good pump. $307, $308, $310. It's just patience now, really. Nothing else. Hold it. So yeah, so that's the first trapped longs or somewhere here at 1550. This is how far we should go. That's it. Market can do a lot of shit here before it moves higher. So we haven't got much liquidity down here, so no point to go lower. Unless they want to grab a couple of stop losses somewhere here. Obviously they can do that.
Order
fucking
filled.
head into this. And if we pop above 305, I'm gonna close one. So I'll have a better 306. I need 306. So I can close one. Push. Come on, push, 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 push. Come on, push.
Order
Close one.
canceled.
Close second
Order
one.
canceled.
It's gonna run too. They have time. They have still 8 more minutes on the 15-minute candle, so doesn't mean we need to go now. They might turn around one more time. There you go, you see? And if they do, I'm gonna buy more.
Order submitted.
Lower. Yeah.
Order filled.
Good. Fine. Happy with that. Big boys are still holding this.
Order submitted.
Let's try to buy one more. No,
Order canceled.
fine. It's a bullish flag. I'm gonna sell one here.
Order submitted.
Can get it. Nine past. It's still 5 more minutes. Accumulating more, basically. That's what they do. I don't know if I even want to sell this here, to be honest, because there's a lot of liquidity. 7. Well, if I can get 775, then yes. 750. Just one tick below. 11 minutes past 10 o'clock. There you go.
Order filled. Order
Go
canceled.
one. Beautiful. Let's hold this now. Let's see how far we can go. I don't know. I mean, they still have time. I can do one more reversal. I'm gonna close one
Order
here.
canceled.
Hopefully I will be able to buy something at the lower part of the range. One more time, maybe 303 again. Could pull this, grab the whole thing. Got 4 minutes. Grab this one more time.
Order
Then we're
submitted.
gonna go. So it does look like we could do that. That's what market likes to do. I'm gonna keep one because we might just go. Got 3 more minutes. There you go. Let's go. Hmm. 305. 303 is still possible. 3 more minutes. They love to sweep at bottom of the ranges like this before we go. So I want to get in. One more time. Maybe even here. 303 is 303.75. How about here? Can we get that? Let's see. Buy more here. Got 2 more minutes. A final drop.
Order submitted.
I want another one here in case we are actually gonna drop below. Yeah.
Order filled.
One more below the range. Just one tick below. Let's see if we can get that. This is to scare everybody. Collect the longs. 1 more minute. And now
ECB's Nagel says the wage uptick wasn't a surprise.
stops are here. Let's remove this. Stops are here now of all the shorts. Let's see if they're gonna take that. Or is that enough? They don't need to take that bit because they already collected everything from here. They did collect it from this candle and from that candle. So they have longs. 302 is waiting. Like a little pop and push. I mean, drop and
ECB's
push.
Nagel says the inflation trend is downward.
And we could get another
And Nagel
push here.
says core and headline inflation are both decelerating. And the ECB can probably cut rates in
15
June.
is the target. Measured move. That's what it is. I don't think we're gonna get that. All right, we have another 15-minute candle. Should push through this and continue higher. And there's always danger then. Let's see if we can get a little pullback here. Get one more. Come on.
And ECB's Nagel says we probably have to wait on the next move until September.
Order
All right,
cancelled.
then. Let's leave it. Stop break even. Whilst we push through that, I have to close one. It's just basically
Order
the way
submitted.
it is. Like this thing can always turn around the moment we sell into this liquidity. I have to close one. Let's go. Oops. Are you trying to go and grab that liquidity now? Because they could also still push lower, grab liquidity before we launch this. I should go for this, but there's a danger that we're going to turn around first.
Taking a look at the Fear and Greed Index,
Grab the
53 out
liquidity
of
at the
100
bottom.
equaling neutral. And the Crypto Fear and Greed Index,
One more
74
time.
out of
So,
100 equaling greed. And the
if we
VIX,
do,
currently down 3.21% at 12.37.
If we do, what should I do with this?
US Treasury yields turn negative. 10-year yield last
Am I gonna
slightly
hold
down
this?
at
I'm gonna hold this.
4.472%.
I'm gonna hold this. I'm going to hold that. But technically speaking, they did grab that liquidity here. This wasn't much. This was the flush of that liquidity. But we should go higher, to be honest. Should go higher now. Just wanted to buy more. $308, $310. That's where it's supposed to go. Yeah. So tempted to take this $460. Yeah. Will be a lovely day. Are you gonna squeeze through this 3.8, 3.10, 3.9? Shoot. Shoot. One tick is here. Always one tick above. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too greedy. You know what? I'm
Order
gonna fucking take it like
cancelled.
that.
Order cancelled.
Just one. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna leave it. Stop loss break even. On the rest, let's see if we're gonna go to 15 or not. There's always another trade after that. That looks good. Technically speaking, we did. Did we sell? No, it's equal highs. We have not sold yet. Mm, 20 plus 10. Should push to this 15. That's how far we're supposed to go. 14, 15. 7 points more.
Order
Alright.
filled.
You know what? It's 1,000. Is it $1,025, right? I like that. I like the fact. It's not a bad day on my paid account and 987 on this account. So there's this danger that we can pull before we go higher. So
Order submitted.
I still want to, and I see the 742 now. Got 22, it's got 8 more minutes. This thing can still drop somewhere here. Create liquidity, dump it. Take that 15 minutes, you know, the current 15 minutes, which is not created yet, but we got still 8 minutes on it. Drop it, and then we're gonna go. So I will I will put or mark that. It's not actually there. Wait, where is this 15 minutes? 15 minutes is here. Okay, so that's the thing. We could go and grab that. Still possibility that we can just go and grab this. So I'm gonna be waiting here. We do have liquidity waiting here. 303. So let's see if this is gonna happen. 7 more minutes. Obviously we can continue higher, but if we do, then we're gonna look for another trade later. But because we can always buy the push through, come back, hold it, and then keep going higher. So there's always this possibility. But at the moment, I'm sitting nicely on $1,000. My paid account. Fuck. Maybe. I want this. I want that 15 minutes to be swept. This range can be swept. Oh. 6 more minutes. Okay, so they're pushing through that just before the period, close. We took that 15 minutes candle. This is decent, but I'm not gonna chase this. I'm not gonna chase that. When something like this happens before period close, that means that they just wanted to move. Stops here. And now we can drop to 305. 303. Because technically speaking, they did sold into that, but at the same time, they are kind of on the. This is on the 15 minutes, but on the half an hour, on this period B, they're creating another high. And this always, if it happens before the period is finished, which is B period, always kind of indicates that the market could reverse. I have seen it too many times. So the ideal scenario will be like if we're chopping, we grab that, and then we get a full hour, or 10:30, and then we push. That will be ideal scenario. Because we're doing this before, I was kind of suspicious what they're trying to do here. Yeah, we're going up. It's okay. Just remember where you are on the day. It's a good day. And it hasn't finished yet. And it's Friday. Okay, so let's quickly have a look. What are we doing here? We're climbing back into this 15. I mean, we can push for this. We can go up here. The ultimate target will be somewhere here. Let's see. Okay, 1,600. This is big. This is big. Big buying. 3 more minutes. Could push into this area. First trapped longs from here. Gonna be escaping. 15. Ooh. We were buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here. I think that unfortunately we don't have anything else on our hands to sell.
Order cancelled.
That's okay. That's how it is sometimes. I was hoping for a drop into 303 somewhere here. One more time. Yeah, I've got 2 more minutes. So that 15 minutes has been taken, but that 15 minutes here has not been taken. Right? How is it supposed to be? That is like that. And they are doing it, all of that, just before period B ends. So that's always a suspicion, you know. This could be the top. We're gonna reverse now. And go down here to grab the liquidity, or perhaps even lower. Let's watch this. Big boys 1025. Well, they just couldn't hold this anymore, and that's why the market went down. So here's the fair value gap. Here's the bearish order block. Just to be honest, it starts already here. There's a lot of liquidity. 322. 322. Where's this bearish order block here? Yeah. Okay, that's the top of the period B. And I think market will go down to grab some liquidity again. Perhaps here. Perhaps here. That would not surprise me at all. If we drop and then even close this gap, wouldn't surprise me, to be honest. realize I posted the video. So there's a we got this order block somewhere here. Here's another one. Bearish order blocks. I still think we're gonna push higher. It's gonna grind. It's kind of grinding. We're gonna go push. Space is 14, 15, 16, 17, and the lucky number 320. But are we gonna get there? I don't know. I would prefer if market drops somewhere here. I don't know how far we're gonna drop. We might even drop. What was that? It's 50%. We get to 50%. Almost 50%. I mean, yesterday open, yesterday close. The 50% is here. So we almost got there. Yeah. No liquidity here. This thing is just gonna collapse to the bottom. But I see 10,080. Big boys are holding. They dropped a little bit. Ooh, look at that. Is this an opportunity to buy? I'm just a dreamer. Got still time. I don't need to do anything. I like that 15. I want that 15 to be taken. Should I trade on the short side now? Should I trade on the short side? To view up 304.
Order
Let's try
filled.
short. One little short. Into this liquidity. It's a 15 minutes liquidity, right? Just grab 3 points here. See if we can collapse. 305. Am I just shorting it into? Yeah, I'm shorting this into this support. It's just not a good idea. Yeah, it's not a good idea. But I'm looking at bookmap and I don't see any liquidity there. I see just emptiness. But liquidity can come. There you go. I see that. That was fucking. Yeah, that was a pullback. They just couldn't go higher. Made a pullback.
Order
Get up.
filled.
Take that loss. And go
Order
long
filled.
into this high. It was just a pullback. In my opinion. Ooh. Wrong again. Now that should be a pullback. That should be a pullback. I use this as a pullback kind of, you know. This kind of behavior is typically a pullback. They try to push lower, get some shorts on the board. Like me in the previous trade. And then they squeeze higher. But if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm going to take the loss. tick. Give one more tick, just to be sure. Big boys 1000, 1010. So they're buying it. Thousand 20. Thing. Yeah, we should take this 314 because we pulled some shorts right now. Once we get above 310, and hold there, $12, $13, $14. Big boys $10.91. Shorts are shorting. They're hoping for a break of 308. Which could happen. Well, one tick again, just in case they want to reverse.
Stop
No.
filled.
Okay, we took the loss back to 750. Let's leave this now. So we're going for the 15-minute. Let's see if we're gonna go lower than that. View up.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
try one more here. Of the view up. Quick scalp, basically. To be honest, no, not sure why I'm doing this. I should wait for something first. This is front running, which can lead to bounce. I'm getting in here because of this shelf. Like they collected that, they don't need to go lower. And we could bounce off this. We just create another 15 minutes candle. How about we're gonna push into the highs now? And big boys are looking good, 1075. It's a good entry here. It is a good entry. I'm just seeing a little bit of pullbacks. The trick is not to stay committed to one side. I see something. 1,302, that looks good. Big boys are buying that thing. They are buying that pullback. That's the pullback. Right, okay, fine then. Let's hold this pullback now because possibility to go to 314. That's very possible we're gonna go up there. Yeah. Let me just remove this thing because I don't see what happened here. All right. Got equal, kind of equal 15 minutes candle. They left it for later probably. I'm gonna drive the shorts now and sell them into 313. Big boy 1,375. Come on, let's go. I shouldn't give shorts an opportunity to get out, so a little pullback, yes, but then continue up. Big boys 1,500.
Order
Let me get in
filled.
here with another contract. I think we have a chance to squeeze now to 13. This is looking decent. 85, 856, I want to say. Yeah, this looks like we could squeeze now. Got 11 more minutes till the close of period C. Now that we have two of them, we can do this. Sell one here
Order submitted.
just before. And, well, I mean, to be honest, beautiful. Let's go. Squeeze them. I will hold the other one. Pre-13 is waiting. Got 10 more minutes to to do the squeeze. Come on, let's go. So tempted to grab that 400 because I know it can return back to 308 again. They have time, but at the same time I know they caught a lot of shots with this push to the downside, so they will not allow them to get out so easy. They will try to squeeze. Struggling at 10. Yeah. Somebody's taking profit here. We had some longs there. Well, I am believing in this long, so oh, that final squeeze. Eight more minutes. Oh.
Order
I'll take
canceled.
one here,
Order canceled.
just in case this thing's gonna reverse a little bit. But we should push for this 15. Squeeze the shorts. Even 16, look at that. Are we holding this up here? We should. So squeeze for this level should give us a nice burst of stop loss popping. Boom. Got stop losses. Stop loss is popping right now. The shorts are in panic. They're like, oh shit, that was the wrong trade.
Order
Fuck
filled.
Taking it 1,287. It's why I closed it, because we are 6 minutes before, again, before the period close. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Are we gonna squeeze now? We're gonna turn around. You got to take it, mate, when you got it on your hands. There's so many times I've been in profit and I'm not taking it, and then I close everything for break even. I hate that. Anyway, if this is gonna go, it's gonna go. It's all right. But that's my strategy. I play this 15 minutes candles. Look at that. We still left equal lows here. See that? We have this one here. I'm not saying we're gonna go there right now, but da. Fine. Gonna pause this video here. See what's gonna happen if we can catch something later. So we are still pumping. Let's just watch for another 4 minutes till period C closes, and I'm gonna end today. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I'm closing this day. Paid account 1,287. Evaluation account 987. Very happy with this day. Just walk away from casino when you can. We'll come on Monday and we'll have a look. Oh, Monday's actually closed, so we'll come on Tuesday. We'll have a look if we can get something on Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, so they did push into this 16, 17. We are slowly approaching. If you look at this week, look at that week here. See this week? We're slowly approaching. That's pretty much where this order block is here, you know. 21. Like a small liquidity. It's not small, but here it starts. This is where the pain will start. 17. Look at that. See this volume profile here? A lot of trap people here from yesterday. The longs won't be getting out. So 17 is kind of a zone of a problem for this bull run since open. So we have been in it for 1 hour and a half. And this is probably, there you go, final push, final squeeze, 320. Perhaps 320. Perhaps this order block. Perhaps we're going into this 22 area. Yeah, could go to this 22 area. So we were shorting here. I just jumped on the short. That was a wrong trade because the position was bad. I was just basically shorting into this trapped shorts. The rest of it. Sorry, it was ice cream van. So there was a kind of, you know, obviously we went lower, but I could have been just then we took, I think we took the long. We got stopped here again. So it's just kind of crazy trading here. But then this long was much better, and then we had short. We closed half of it here, another half into this area. Could have held it a little bit, you know, into this 14 for a push to 13, 14. Yes, I could have done that. But wait, I could have fucking bought it at the bottom today and all the way up, right? If you're gonna look like this, you'll never learn how to trade. So you have to grab what you can. All right, it's 4 p.m. London time, 11 o'clock New York time. I'm done. I don't want to spoil my weekend by blowing up account or doing something crazy. I'm just going to walk away with this $1,287. Thanks for watching and see you on Tuesday. This is Trap Trader from London.